Hello everyone, I'm Daria. Today I'd like to talk about the experiment for determining the water separability of petroleum and synthetic fluids. This experiment is mainly used to evaluate the ability of oil products to separate after mixing with water, and to judge the anti-emulsification of oil products. Now let's start the experiment. Accurately measure 80 milliliters of the test sample with a graduated cylinder and pour it into a centrifuge tube. Take another graduated cylinder to measure 20 milliliters of distilled water and slowly pour it into the same centrifuge tube, avoiding violent impact to prevent foaming. Fix the centrifuge tube on the stirrer to ensure that the stirring paddle is located at the center of the liquid. Start the stirrer and stir at a speed of 1,500 plus or minus 150 revolutions per minute for 5 minutes. After stirring, immediately place the centrifuge tube in a constant temperature water bath and keep the temperature at 54 degrees Celsius plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Avoid vibration during the standing process and observe the layering situation of the oil layer, water layer, and emulsion layer. Take out the centrifuge tube and let it stand for 1 minute to allow the liquid droplets attached to the tube wall to stay. Observe the record the volume of the water layer, the volume of the emulsion layer, and the state of the oil layer. Two parallel experiments need to be carried out for the same test sample, and the difference in the volume of the water layer between the two measurements should be less than or equal to 1 milliliter. Otherwise, the experiment needs to be repeated. If lubricating oil with poor water separability is mixing with water during use, it may lead to emulsification, deterioration of oil product, decline in lubrication effect, or even corrosion of equipment. This experiment can guide customers to choose oil products with excellent anti-emulsification performance or monitor the aging state of oil products during equipment operation. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.